So following the official announcement of the election results, the 16th National Assembly is preparing to embark on a new term, carrying the profound trust and expectations of voters nationwide. Beyond its core responsibilities of domestic legislations and supreme supervision, the new legislature also carries the mission of asserting the nation's stature globally. In the area of the nation's rise, parliamentary diplomacy is becoming a new catalyst, turning multilateral commitments into concrete actions and ensuring a stronger Vietnamese voice in a global decision-making.
In January 2025, Vietnam's National Assembly hosted the Executive Board meeting of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Francophonie APF in Cần Thơ. This marked a historic milestone after decades, as a Southeast Asian nation led the community's largest multilateral parliamentary forum.
The National Assembly of Vietnam plays a very important role in the APF. Its active participation in all major forums and key conferences is a testament to Vietnam's qualitative and quantitative contributions to the alliance.
Over the years, the footprint of Vietnam's National Assembly at multilateral parliamentary forums has shifted significantly, from participation to proactive engagement. This serves as a foundation for the 16th National Assembly to establish parliamentary diplomacy as a foreign policy pillar in this era of the nation's rise. This vision places high expectations on a new generation of delegates.
Interparliamentary cooperation primarily helps lawmakers better understand one another and exchange views on specific issues they face. These exchanges are also a vital tool of modern diplomacy, fostering mutual understanding between societies and different political systems, thereby making it easier to find solutions to international challenges. Following the 14th National Party Congress, the election of the 16th National Assembly is a crucial step in preparing for Vietnam's future in this new era.
Each member of parliament will truly represent the voice and aspirations of their constituents, while actively contributing to the realization of Vietnam's highly ambitious goals, particularly in parliamentary diplomacy. I hope the young generations of deputies will have the National Assembly remain a dynamic force in multilateral parliamentary forums.
Each vote not only consolidates the people's highest representative body, but also signifies trust in a leadership capable of driving Vietnam forward in this new era. With parliamentary diplomacy as a pillar, the 16th National Assembly will assert Vietnam's mettle, proactive, responsible, and aspirational on the journey of global integration.